On top with tori for today, Bello don tell Bankers Forum make dem put body for social responsibility for di state. Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello don tell Bankers Forum for di state say make dem do pass as dem first dey do before on top corporate social responsibility. Im tok dis one wen e receive members of Bankers Forum Kogi State chapter for courtesy call for Government House for Lokoja. Bello tok say make dem dey support Kogi State government plan to remove katakata wey dey on top security for di state and say dem need to do more work on top corporate social responsibility so dat peace and security go dey for banks dem and oda business sef go fit waka well. Di governor come tok of how tiffy-tiffy pipo bin take go rob bank for Abuja wey dem no succeed and say na pesin wey dey work for di bank na bin even dey give di tiffy-tiffy pipo dem information and say di forum need to work well to make sure say all di pipo wey dey get dis kain plan for banking sector go comot for di sector sharp-sharp. Leader of the Bankers Forum wey still be senior banker for Central Bank of Nigeria, Ahmed Sule, come tok say banks dey try to build and better their corporate social responsibility activities for Kogi State. And say na under Governor Yahaya Bello administration, banking sector don take enjoy security pass and dis one don increase customers' mind wey dem dey get for di state well. Sule tok say Bankers Forum go try dey do more work when dem reach their headquarters so dat dem go fit contribute join Kogi State Security Trust Fund. The Bankers Forum come salute Governor Yahaya Bello when im take dey try to stop security katakata for di state. Make una sabi say na 16 bank robbery na im shele for Kogi State from 2011 go reach 2015, but dis one don change since dis administration take over. Na here we see am reach on top with tori for today. On top say Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello don tell Bankers Forum for di state say make dem throway body put on top social responsibility. Make una sabi say na T-Live Media na carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. To dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T-Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.